The 2003 Saturn L200 with a 2.2 liter Ecotech. Anyway, a couple of days ago, I did the water pump job on it, and I had to get down in here and get the cover off, and I had to use a special tool to hold the timing sprocket, all that. Keep from jacking up the timing, but when I got done with that replaced the water pump, then she started having trouble with the transmission. It was popping real hard, but we had a check engine light. And the check engine light was for the intake air temperature sensor, which is right here. Okay, really easy to get to, and it doesn't really cost that much. It's like $20. But anyway, the check engine light is a P0113. I'm going to go to Code Connect. We'll see what it says. Alright, so you can read what it says to the reported fixes are. Oh man, and I was hoping it wasn't the PCM. And I really don't think it is. After looking at this, I actually found what I believe to be the problem, and I'll show you in just a second. But anyway, this code, this P0113 or 8 or whatever it is, the intake air temperature sensor code, when that check engine light comes on, for some reason, the logic in the car changes. It puts you into some kind of different mode. Anyway, it makes the transmission shift harder. So, if you clear the code out, everything's good until the light comes back on. It shifts just fine. The fans don't run on high. That's something else. Everybody on the forum here, they all pretty much say the same thing. Let's see what the first guy said. I don't read very fast, so I'll just take you a picture of this, let you read it. You can pause it and read them if you want to. I don't have a computer right now, so I can't give you a link. A lot of people were saying the throttle position sensor. That actually worked for a lot of people, replacing that sensor. Alright, anyway, that's enough of the forum. I just wanted to show you that a lot of people have had this problem. When you get that code, like I said, it changes the logic. I guess Saturn put that in there as like a safety mechanism, put you in some kind of limp home mode, which I don't understand how making the transmission shift harder would be a good thing, but for some reason it does that when that light comes on, and it's that code. So anyway, I replaced the sensor. I realized that, see, her air box had been messed up for a while. So I've got a zip tie here, and you can see this, the other side right there, right down there, there's a zip tie. Focusing on it. Yeah, there's a zip tie right there. Well, this zip tie, I didn't realize when I had done the repair on the water pump that I missed the bottom section on accident, and I only had zip tied the top section, so of course it wasn't pulling it tight. what I found that today, after replacing the sensor and that didn't work, I found that and I was like, oh wow, that's got to be the problem. I'll bet you anything that solves it. Cleared the code, and it took a little longer for the code to come back on, but the code came back, and next thing you know, it's shifting hard again. So I got here a little while ago and tugged on these wires right here. This white wire, real gently now. But sure enough, this white wire just came right on out of there. And it looks like it just broke off the terminal. A lot of people would go out and buy a new plug. What I'm gonna do, because I can, and I do it all the time, is I'm gonna take that plug and I'm gonna repair it. You can try it if you want to. It can be done. So, I mean, I'm telling you that now. I do it all the time. Most people don't. Most people don't even know you can do that. But yeah, most of the plugs can be repaired. And if you can't do it and you need it done, bring it to me. I'll do it for a nominal fee. Anyway, so I'm gonna fix that plug and then clear the code and see if that solves the problem. And I'm sure it will, because that is probably what's going on. I will let you know. All right.